Conclusion of the book. The book of the Gulistan has been completed, and Allah had been invoked for aid. By the grace of the Almighty, may His name be honored throughout the work of the custom of authors. Insert verses from ancient writers by way of loan has not been followed. To adorn oneself with one's own rag is better than to ask for the loan of a robe. And sure, we repeat and we practice verses and stuff that aren't our own. But why do we need to litter our books with just mere assemblages of quotes? I scholastically present stuff, and without that, most of my channel would not, most of my media would not exist. But I certainly work on my own stuff and don't, most of the utterances of Sa'adi being exhilarant and mixed with pleasantry. Short-sighted persons have on this account lengthened the tongue of blame, alleging that it is not the part of intelligent men to spend in vain the kernel of their brain, and to eat without profit the smoke of the lamp. It is, however, not concealed from the enlightened men, who are able to discern the tendency of words, that pearls of curative admonition are strung upon the thread of explanation, and that the bitter medicine of advice is commingled with the honey of wit, in order that the reader's mind should not be fatigued, and thereby excluded from the benefit of acceptance. And praise be to the Lord of both worlds. There's no separate deity for life and death, heaven and hell, and in between. It's the same God. We gave advice in its proper place, spending a lifetime in the task. If it should not touch anyone's ear of desire, the messenger told his tale. It is enough. O thou who lookest into it, ask Allah to have mercy on the author and to pardon the owner of it. Ask for thyself whatever benefit thou mayest desire, and after that pardon for the writer of it. If I had on the day of resurrection an opportunity near the compassionate one, I should say, O Lord, I am the sinner, and thou the beneficent master. For all the ill I have done, I crave for thy bounty. Gratitude is due from me to God that this book is ended before my life has reached its termination. The end.